back to my channel. So today I have a cash stuffing, happy mail, and a new saving challenge that I want to show you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I'm so happy, so grateful that you guys are here, and the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time. I'm so grateful for your continued support, and also the ones who have not subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties, before I really start, I want to know, how are you guys doing? I hope your week was better than mine, honey. I mean, every day this week. So today, Thursday, y'all. Every day this week, I promise y'all, it's been one thing after another. I mean, from the time I woke up all the way down to the time I laid down. I've been frustrated. I've been angry. I've been upset. Y'all, this has been really a trying week for me. Have y'all seen that I Am movement, the one I made previously about anger? Honey, I had to take my own advice, honey. I had to walk away from people's. I had to calm down, for real. I had to take deep breaths. I mean, I had to get on my knees and pray, honey. I'm telling y'all, it's been really trying. So, sweeties, once again, honey, I hope y'all had a better week, having a better week than me. And I hope this weekend, honey, I hope y'all have fun and I hope y'all enjoy it. So, sweeties, the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to show you my happy mail, and here it is. So I ended up getting this for my twin. Actually, it came a while ago, about a few weeks back. My twin ordered this from Budgeting Emmy, and so she ordered the saving challenge, the binder that we could customize. So my twin bought one for herself, and then she had purchased one for me for my birthday. So, sweeties, I am going to take it out the bag, out the packaging. I'm sorry, my twin had already took hers out. It's in this blue Tiffany color. Absolutely love it. And it's also in this pretty blue Tiffany tissue paper color. I absolutely love it. And so right here it says thank you, and this is Emmy and her two little kids. Aren't they cute? So, sweeties, let me open this up. Look at it. Look at the Emmy bucks. I absolutely love it. So my twin also purchased us those as well. So from my understanding, I think they come in a set of 6. But let's hold it in our hands. Oh, I love it. Look how beautiful it is. And this is made out of vellum paper, and let me make sure that that's 6. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it's 6 Emmy bucks, and each one of them is $100 each. So pretty much these are placeholders. I absolutely love it, sweeties. Oh my God, this is so nice. Thanks, Emmy. I absolutely love these. Let me put them on the side. And let's show this beautiful binder. So, sweeties, my twin had this customized saving challenge binder, and it's worth, the challenge is $500. So my twin picked out the color pink, of course, because that's her favorite color. And so at the bottom on the right, it is black vellum, and it has the number, for the amount of money that we have to stuff in each envelope. I absolutely love it. It is super cute. I absolutely love it. And then also, too, the binder part, it is gold. I love it, guys. So let's go through this and just keep on playing with it. Oh, I love playing with it. I'm just like Erica from Black and Blue. She loved playing with, her binders and stuff and money, honey. I love it, too. See? Look how easy it flips. And, sweeties, from my understanding, this is the mega size envelopes. Absolutely love it. Absolutely beautiful. And so this is what the back of it looks like. Super cute. I absolutely love it. Okay, sweeties. So what I'm going to introduce to you is a new saving challenge. I am super excited about this. So, sweeties, here it is. This is called a mystery jar challenge. This was created by my twin, Tina. And so she came up with this idea. So what's different about this particular saving challenge, when you open it up, she has tissue paper inside of it. But look, she also too, y'all been playing with it already. I've been doing some challenges already, y'all. So sweeties, each one of her, how should I say, scratch off. This is a scratch off, and so you don't know what you're gonna be scratching off, y'all. So sweetie, so she cut out each one and she laminated it. This is so cute. And so all you do is scratch, you know, one of the little boxes off, little squares, I'm sorry. You just scratch it off, and then whatever you know, get, honey, you just put it inside the envelope. And she also made me a tracker as well. Isn't it cute? It's the shape of a jar. I absolutely love it. So as you can tell, honey, I scratched off the number 2 and 13. So I've been playing with it already. You guys, I absolutely love this jar. And so from my understanding, I think she has the little squares 1 through 31, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yes, because it's on the tracker. So it's 1 through 31. And so another unique thing is, not only is this a scratch off, a mystery challenge, but also too, once you get through scratching it off, you know what? You can actually place this back in the jar, honey, and then you could just reuse it again over and over again. And also too, this jar is so super cute, and it comes with this handle. I absolutely love it. So sweeties, you can use the jar for anything, you know, once you get through with the challenge. If you don't want to, you know, use the jar anymore for the challenge, you can just use it for something else. Candy, you can put paper clips in it, anything. I absolutely love this challenge, and I can't wait to keep using it. Thanks, Tina. All right, sweeties, so we are going to get started with our cash stuffing. All right, sweeties, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cash out of this envelope, and the amount of money that we are going to be cash stuffing is going to be $185. So let's make sure that is correct. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. And that is correct. So let's open up my little cash box over here, and let's place the monies inside nice and neatly. Let's separate it. All right, sweetie, so we place the monies nice and neat. So let's get my Moturn wallet, and so we're gonna unstuff the remaining leftover money that I had last pay period. So let's open the wallet up. And we are going to start with Kina. So let's see how much money we had leftover / rollover. So that's 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. Wow, I didn't know I had that much. So sweeties, I'm going to take this rollover money, and I'm going to be placing it over here in this tray. And so those of you guys that are totally new to my channel, I'm going to be placing the 1s and 5s in my saving challenges. I have the $1 saving challenge envelope, and then I have the $5 saving challenge envelope. And so this rollover money is going to be going in those envelopes. All right, sweeties, you know what I forgot to do too? I forgot to tell you that my channel is about cash stuffing, weekly expense check-ins, saving challenges, Happy Mail unboxing, vlogging. I do budgeting off camera. And honey, my goals is to save as much as I can, honey, and to pay off debt. All right, sweeties, let's get back to the unstuffing. All right, sweeties, the next category we're going to be unstuffing, it is going to be groceries. And we have $1 remaining left. The next category, it is snacks. We have $1 remaining left. Gas, nothing is left in gas. Oh, guess what, you guys? Today I went, you know, to the store, but I rode past a gas station, and guess how much it costs, y'all? The gas is $5.27. Like I say, it's still high to me, but what can you do? I'll be glad, honey, when it go all the way down. I wish it was down like it used to be. I remember back in the day, y'all, this is going to tell you how old I am. Some of y'all might know. But anyway, y'all, I went to, I used to fill up my gas tank, y'all, with $10. Can y'all believe that? Those were the old days, honey. But anyway, sweeties, the next category that I'm going to be unstuffing is going to be the spending, and we're going to see how much rollover money I had left. We had $5, $6, $7, $8. We had $8 left. And let's place this on the side over here. The next category, it is dining out. We have $2 remaining left. Next category, it is beauty / self-care. $1. The next category, it is nails. And let's unstuff this category. And we have $1 remaining left. Ooh, this is kind of raggedy, y'all. Look at this. They have writing on it and stuff. Ooh. Anyway, sweeties, money is money, right, honey? We have to spend it no matter how bad it looks. Anyway, sweeties, so let's go to the house supplies. Let's see how much we have remaining left. And that is $1. Miscellaneous. We have $1 remaining left. And for the category give, we're going to leave that in there. So whatever is left in here, you know, that's what we're going to leave it at. So, sweeties, I'm going to take this Moterm wallet and we're going to put it on the side and we're going to count how much total rollover money that we have left over. All right, sweeties, so let's count. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. All right, yay. All right, sweeties, I didn't do too bad with my rollover. Money left over. I didn't do too bad, honey. Let me separate this one more time and put it over here. And sweeties, once again, these are going into my $1 and $5 saving challenge. All right, sweetie, let's get that Moterm wallet back out. And we're going to start stuffing. All right, sweetie, so the first category we are going to be stuffing. It is going to be Kina, and this envelope is going to be receiving $20. So let's take it out the tray here. The next category, it is groceries, and that's going to be receiving a total of $70. So that's 1, 2, 3 20s, and a 10. So let's make sure that's correct. So that's 20, 40, 60, $70. The next category is going to be receiving $10, and that's snacks. So let's take a $10 bill and let's cash stuff. So, sweeties, those of you guys be wondering what my snacks is. Honey, I am a chip head. I love salt and vinegar chips, y'all. And you know what else I love too? I love the lime popcorn from, oh my goodness, what's the name of that brand? Oh my God, I got it in my head, but honey, I can't think of that brand. But it's, they have lime popcorn. I absolutely love it. So my salt and vinegar, I be getting those, honey, and I be getting that popcorn. And then also too, sometimes y'all know I love to go to Crumble Cookies. So sometimes I'll go there and get a little something. And then I like granola bars too. So that's what this snack, this snack envelope is for. My little snacks, y'all. All right, sweetie. So gas is going to be receiving $35. So let's get a 20, a 10, and a 5. So that's $20, $30, $35. The next category, it is spending, and that's going to be receiving $20. So we got the last 20. Let's place that in this envelope. Next category, it is dining out. And honey, that's going to be getting only $10. So that's the last $10. $10 bill. Let's place it in the envelope. Next category, it is beauty / self-care. And that's going to be getting $5. And let's stuff that down in this envelope. The next category, it is nails, and that's going to be receiving $5. I know I'm kind of quiet in this video, y'all, because y'all gonna have to forgive me because I'm still thinking about all this stuff that happened this week, y'all. It's been, oh my goodness. I mean, almost every day I was angry. Can y'all imagine every day somebody being angry? I don't like feeling like that, y'all. Y'all pray for me. But anyway, sweeties, the next category, it is house supplies, and we're going to be stuffing $5. And the last category we're going to be stuffing is miscellaneous, and that's going to be receiving $5. All right, sweeties. So that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Once again, sweeties, those of you guys have not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so you guys will know my uploads. And I will see you in my next video.